Hi, this is Robert Tantullo. Let's talk value and what we have within Onpassive. Onpassive is an information technology company, short for IT, solely focused on building a total business solution. The company and its high-level tech team of professionals aim to deliver pure value with its automated tools and services, bring innovation, and maximize business potential with less efforts and more impact. Onpassive offers expert business solutions by augmenting human behavior to its proprietary artificial intelligence built from scratch. Onpassive's mission is the ultimate complete and unique digital marketing platform that ensures everyone's success regardless of their background or ability by offering the simplest environment with the highest standards and the most value while sustaining the benefits of a global stimulus plan.